Good morning, doctor. I am Anurag Yadav from Silapam Division of LTS. We stand together for life as we care brand medicine. Doctor, today I want to take a few minutes of your precious time. Doctor, in FBTCS, please prescribe Phytonil is a brand of pyrampanel 2 mg, 4 mg, 6 mg tablet to take 100 not out to the lives of all your patients. Doctor, as you know very well, Phytonil can be useful and addition for the epilepsy patient who are suffering from various type of seizure. Doctor, Phytonil has broad spectrum anti-epileptic drug and has greater than 50% responder rate. Doctor, Phytonil has novel mechanism of action. Doctor, I want to share a study which is published in the Epilepsy 2022. Doctor, objective of this study to measure the efficacy and safety of the pyrampanel as compared to the placebo in the Asian and non-Asian patients who are suffering from focal to bilateral tonic-clonic seizure, focal seizure with focal to bilateral tonic-clonic seizure, focal seizure without focal to bilateral tonic-clonic seizure, and generalized tonic-clonic seizure. Doctor, in this study, more than 12 years of the patients are taken who are suffering from focal seizure with focal to bilateral tonic-clonic seizure, and in which some patients taken the pyrampanel 2 mg, 4 mg, 8 mg or 12 mg, and some patients taken the placebo. And sir, some patients are suffering from generalized tonic-clonic seizure, some patients taken the pyrampanel 8 mg and some patients taking the placebo. Doctor, during this titration period was 4 to 6 weeks and maintenance period was 13 weeks. Doctor, measuring parameter was median percentage change in the generalized tonic-clonic seizure and focal to bilateral tonic-clonic seizure for 28 days. 50% responder rate greater than responder rate to the baseline. Doctor, 50% responder rate means, as you know very well, percentage of patient achieving greater than 50% seizure reduction in the frequency. Doctor, result of this study, median percentage change in the generalized tonic-clonic seizure was significantly higher with the pyrampanel 8 mg as compared to the placebo. Doctor, 50% responder rate significantly higher with the pyrampanel 8 mg and 12 mg in the FBTCS patient as compared to the placebo. Doctor, 50% responder rate was in the GTCS significantly higher as high as 62.4%. Doctor, with pyrampanel in focal onset seizure, significantly reduction in the seizure and high 50% responder rate per 28 days. Doctor, conclusion of this study, please prescribe Phytonil shows better efficacy and better tolerability and considered as best option, therapeutic option for the FBTCS patient and GTCS patient. So doctor, today request at least 2 prescription from your each OPD. Doctor, now Phytonil is availability is better and available near side your chemist, Amba chemist, Durga chemist, Pioneer chemist and South Delhi chemist. So doctor, bypass on this benefit, please prescribe Phytonil. Today request. If you have any responsibility, please tell me sir. I am ready for this. Thank you doctor. Thank you so much.